The Red Tea Detox is an easy, delicious and fast recipe, which was created by Lynn Miller. It's designed for people who are struggling with weight loss by helping them to improve their overall health. This program also comes with valuable tips, which can help you to lose up to 15 pounds, within a fortnight, by drinking this delicious tea. This wholesale tea is based on the premise that the toxins present in your body not only prevent you from shedding excess fat but they also make you sick. Therefore, if you can manage to flush out those toxins from the body, then you will be killing two birds with one stone. The Red Tea Detox recipe features three main components: diet, exercise, and motivation. Those three components have to work together for the program to succeed. Diet remains one of the most important considerations when it comes to weight loss. This program emphasizes the importance of going through a detox routine before you can even think of weight loss. The Red Tea Detox recipe remains one of the most effective weight loss programs that you can find on the market today. It's easy to follow and use, and it's backed by scientific research. Therefore, if you have been struggling to lose weight and you can't seem to find a working formula, you finally have a solution. Try this program today, and the results will speak for themselves.